Right, welcome back. This is just a real quick video. I've been trying to turn a bowl, but I've had to. Well, you'll see. It'll probably be the next build video. The kind of resin's separated from the wood, so I've had to glue it and all. Anyway, so I thought, what can I do just to entertain you guys? And I found chopsticks. So I love to use, if I can pick this little bit up, chopsticks. So what I thought, what can I do? Really simple, out of scraps of GPS stuff, make a pair of chopsticks. These are the traditional wooden ones. They don't taste nice. And these are the ones I made. Anyway, so they're the same thing, but these are actually scraps of Kirinite plastic from GPS. So I'm going to show you how to make some. I really enjoyed making these, so hopefully you can. If you've got a bandsaw and you've got some sandpaper, why not? Really easy. I mean, you don't necessarily need a bandsaw. You just need to be able to cut a nice straight. What is it, 5mm? Let's have a look. 5mm. Look at the state of my shop. I need a tape measure. I'll find one in a minute. So I'm going to make a couple more of these on camera for you guys. Let me see what you make. If you make some, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook. Send me some pictures just to see what you've made. That'd be really cool. Well, there you go. Two really quick, easy sets of chopsticks. I mean, you could make these out of anything really. Wood, bamboo. I mean, they're traditionally made out of bamboo, aren't they? But should we see if they work? Let's see what we find. Okay, that works. They work. They do the job. I love them. So I'll probably give these to the kids. This one, I'm not sure what type of Kirinite, the name of that is. I'll find out and I'll even link in the description. And link it. I'll leave the name of it down there somewhere. And this one, oh, it's just gorgeous. Look at that. So easy to do. Anyway, so we've got, where's the other pair? I've lost a pair of chopsticks. There they are. Okay. So we've got onto literally half an hour, 3 pairs of chopsticks. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow night, which is Tuesday, in the live. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet, but we'll figure something out. Remember guys, if you're using power tools, I mean, I wouldn't recommend that you put your belt sander upside down and clamp the switch on. I do that because I've always done it, and I clamp the belt sander down to the surface as well. But I wouldn't recommend you do it, so don't copy me because I'm a bad example. But what I've tried to do is make this as simple as possible, like putting the sandpaper on a flat surface and just rubbing it. There's no need to use a power tool. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. I'd love to get to 2,000 subscribers soon. Yeah, like, share everywhere, all around the world, and hopefully the channel will grow. And I hope you enjoy this little project. Remember, if you look me up on Instagram or Facebook and you have a go at making some chopsticks, I would love to see pictures of what you've come up with. I would love to. Like a big noodle. Anyway, I'll see you next time.